We've arrived at Folly Farm. Some of you might remember from our last vlog, we used to have to go into that building there. They've now built a brand new entrance and it looks amazing. So we're going to head in. So we've just come in through the entranceway and now you come straight into the new shop. Which is huge compared to the old one. It's about double the size. There's a carousel with soft toys going around on it. Really, really nice. But we'll come back and have another look a bit later on. Those of you who watched our Folly Farm vlog last year will probably remember we actually came out of this doorway. The entrance now is up there. Or the entrance into the park and the gift shop and exit sort of thing. And it looks really, it's lovely. It's a lovely building. We saw a little bit of a clip from the shop walking through. I'm sure we'll come and get an ice cream at some point. We've got Folly Interactive to do. We've got the indoor barn. The Funfair is just behind there. First thing this morning, we're going to go and walk around the animals while the weather is still nice. It's our first job for today. What I will do is, rather than listening to us yapping, I will put some music on for you to listen to while we have a look at them. Done a few of the animal enclosures. We've just done the rhino house, which is quite new because they only think it was new for last year. The rhinos are currently in the distance. What I like about this is all along the fence they've got lots of information about endangers and how you can go about helping and protecting them. And this is the rhino house, and you can see into all their where they sleep at night and all these posters on the wall, and it's just so lovely. Very well done. But then we really like Folly Farm. So I'll show you a few more animals and we'll go and get something to eat shortly. Just done the go-karts at Folly Farm. They're petrol-powered go-karts. They're only £2 per cart, up to 2 drivers. It's 50p tokens, 4 tokens per cart, not per person, per cart. Really good fun. Yeah. Rebecca's just had a go with Gaga. Was that good? Did you enjoy that a lot? Because I could see you waving. Do you want to do it again later? No, we're going to have dinner now, aren't we? Just stopped for a bite to eat in the Funfair restaurant in the vintage Funfair area. Robert and I have both had jacket potatoes, except I've gone for the unhealthy jacket potato. There's curry and chips, pie and chips, rice and pie, chips and rice, and Rebecca's having a lunchbox. Is it a nice lunchbox? No? Yes? Being rude. So yeah, we're having lunch and then I don't know what we're going to do yet, I'm decided. Find out shortly. Going into Folly Interactive. This is like bits you can touch and stroke and lots of information and whatnot. You can never see these damn animals, so half of them they're all hidden. But you can smell pods and things. Very nice. So we're still in the interactive area. We've just been and seen these bats. There's a couple on the back wall and there's this one. Fortunately he's a bit hard to see, but he's just had a carrot happily munching away. He's now cleaning his foot. But he was having a good old gobble in the bowl a minute ago. But yeah, there's a couple on the wall over there having a gibble gobble. The sloth is asleep. No surprises there though, really. And yeah, there's some birds. Sometimes they have like talks and things in here and they explain about some of the animals. But it is quite warm in here, so be prepared. Macaws, they're out. Oh yeah, they're out. They're at the top. That's having a good old look around. And you've got the old parrot. Hello. Hello. Heading into the gift shop now. We're going to do our shopping now because we're here until 7:30 tonight. Because we've got 2 hours in the Funfair when the park closes. So we're going to do our shopping now. And then we're going to head back, do a bit of the fair, and there's the barn and things we've got to do as well yet. Now inside the Folly barn, basically this is all your farm animals, your pets and things like that, all laid out in a very large barn. There's some meet and greets, they do like activities, they do ferret racing, rat racing, all the goats, turkeys, which is the most bizarre one, and face painting, which they've just started doing by the look of it. And there's the ferret.
Come on in. Wash your hands and then try. Come on, little girls.
There's two very, very small goats in this enclosure. You can just see them in the picture there, the little twins. They're so cute. Mummy's here watching. Just inside the barn still, and this company have come down and they're opening a new centre locally near Haverfordwest, and the ladies brought some owls down to show people. This one, I've never seen one like him before. He's actually got a really, really small owl.
You hold the owls and you get a chance to see them fly and everything.
Taking a quick stop for some ice cream. Very nice ice cream. It's soft serve, raspberry. Rebecca's having a strawberry one and she's got it all around her mouth already. We're just sitting in near the big shop, the exit there, the little ice cream place here. We're going to go and let Rebecca run off a little bit of energy in the soft play, and then maybe a Funfair time. Finished our ice creams. We are now going into the Funfair to play some of the games. Now, Folly is a bit different in that the fair rides and things aren't included in the entry price. However, they aren't expensive. Tokens are 50p each and rides are 1 or 2 tokens. Same for the game stalls. They're either 1 or 2 tokens. Did you have a nice ice cream? Yeah? So that's what we're going to go and do next. So the next bit of footage will be from the little games in the arcade. like a collection of old machines. and like arcade machines. I think Rebecca's currently watching this. But this wall's got loads of old machines on it. Robert's found the old slots. Just left the Funfair area. We've had a few games on the arcades and whatnot. Rebecca is currently playing over there, which is probably the slightly smaller version of what you can see behind me. There is also a soft play for under 6s and a soft play for under 2s. Now she's changing. Now she's changing her mind and she's going on the soft play. Robert's just buying us a quick coffee and that. It's 4:30. The park closes at 5:30, which is where the day would normally end. However, being in the Coaster Club, and this being a Coaster Club trip, from 5:30 until 7:30, we have what's called an ERS, which is an exclusive ride session. Basically means it is just club members only. I think there's about 40-50 of us here today. And we get the Funfair to ourselves. Rather than having every ride open, what they'll do is they'll take us to a ride, we'll all get to ride it, they'll shut it off, and we'll just go around each ride individually until they're all done. And also halfway through they're feeding us. So we also get food included. It's a really good day. We love Folly Farm. I think Folly Farm's fab. You enjoyed Folly Farm? Come again? There you go. See? Told you. So yeah, we're just going to have a quick drink, quick bite to eat, and then ERS time. Just going to give you a quick tour of the Vintage Funfair so you have an idea of what actual rides are here. The big rides are basically 2 tokens per person. The small rides are 1 token per person. Which only the Rollercoaster Club are in here. There's about 45 of us, something like that maybe. They're operating 2 rides at the moment and one of them, when everyone's been off, we switch. So currently everybody is on the jets.
Okay folks, do you want to go faster? Oh, come on, you can do better than that. Do you want to go faster? Yeah! Okay then folks, hold on tight. Here we go. Full speed. Remember to remain seated, keeping your arms and legs in at all times. Thank you.
fabulous time at Folly Farm. Now having to leave until next year. It's always a sad bit of the day. We'll be here next year, obviously. We've had a great day. Highly recommend Folly Farm. It's fantastic for families. The fair's awesome. Staff are awesome. Lots of animals if that's your thing. Don't know. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments below, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, TTFN.